Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Amplified Oasis of the Seas. We're here on Deck 8. What's on Deck 8? Let me show you what's on Deck 8. Here on Deck 8 on the Oasis of the Seas is Central Park. Yes, look at this. Central Park. What's so amazing about this is that all of these are live plants. These are real plants. These are all real live plants, even trees. They call it Central Park because it's kind of like Central Park in New York City. I mean, you've got high-rises on both sides surrounding this beautiful area called Central Park here on the Oasis of the Seas. Yeah, all these plants, all these trees, those are real. Alright, got lots of seating here, a lot of places to sit. Got all kinds of weird plants and trees to look at too. I'm not sure the names of some of these, but some of these look like they might even be hanging on the trees, like that orchid over there. Alright. Like I said, there's a lot of beautiful places here to sit, relax, enjoy nature. Hard to believe all this is on a ship. All right. Okay, we're at the opposite end of Central Park. Watch your step. These girls were trying to catch butterflies for years. Said this is Central Park on the Oasis of the Seas. All right, let's head back inside. We got to go down 2 decks. What I want to show you is also something really spectacular here on the Oasis of the Seas. Alright, it's deck 7. Alright, deck 6. Alright. What is on deck 6? I'll tell you what's on deck 6. The Boardwalk. At the entrance of the Boardwalk, a couple of these sculptures here showing you how carousel animals are made. How they're carved, how they're painted, and eventually you get out here to see the carousel. These are all hand carved and hand painted. Amazing to think that there is an actual entire carousel on a ship. Isn't that amazing? Over here is Playmakers, it's like a sports bar. On the opposite side, Johnny Rockets. This here is the landing to the Ultimate Abyss. What is the Ultimate Abyss? It's a dry slide. You start all the way up there. And you end up here on deck 6. Behind the Ultimate Abyss is the Aqua Theater. It's not just a regular theater with shows, but the Aqua Theater is actually a pool. Down there is a pool. And there are aqua shows, including diving shows, that start up there at the top of those tusks. Divers will actually jump down from there down into that little pool. Alright, let's go back out. There's a lot more of the ship I want to show you. Alright. It's another great view of the carousel. Alright, let's walk around here. Around Playmakers. They got like a little arcade over here. Oh yeah, the Boardwalk Doghouse. And I don't think it's blah, just hot dogs and that. They have some really good like wurst and some like German franks. So it's not just boring hot dogs. You gotta try it. And it's complimentary. So why not? Alright. Alright, back inside. Off to our right is a short excursion booth. And the Focus Photo Gallery. On our left side is Next Cruise, where you can book your next cruise. And the famous Schooner Bar. Out here's the Royal Promenade. Let's go down. Ahead of us is the Bionic Bar. The Bionic Bar. You got two robots here named Mix and Mingle, and these guys will mix up your favorite beverage.
Is it the person you remember?
Here, I'll take.
And over here is guest services. You have any issues? These are the people to come to. They'll take care of you. Cafe Promenade here on the left. Check this out. There's actually a car on a ship. Sorrento's Pizza here on the right side. And on the opposite side, the Globe and Atlas Bar. It's like a pub. Great place to rest, grab a drink. Of course, it wouldn't be without a shop. Get all your logo gear, get more crowns, get more anchors, get them there. Over here we have the Spotlight Karaoke. We have karaoke every single night. And Boleros. Boleros is a Latin theme where I have like music every night. We're going to head down one more deck. Looks like Jazz on 4, which is the jazz club, but it's closed right now. But if you like jazz music, that's the place to be. And the Royal Theater. Royal Theater is closed right now, but that's where the shows are. Some spectacular shows and entertainment on Royal Caribbean. Blaze. It's like a nightclub. Comedy, music, drinks. It's all there in Blaze. Studio B is kind of like, yeah, with the ice rink. They have some really cool ice shows in there. And over here, the Diamond Club. Let's take a peek inside. Here in the Diamond Club, they have nightly hors d'oeuvres and drinks or happy hour. Nice, comfortable place to hang out. All right. Flanking Studio B is Park West, the art gallery. Up here, the Casino Royale. We're in port right now. We're in Nassau, in the Bahamas. It's the only reason we're able to film inside the casino, because traditionally you cannot do video inside the casino. Matter of fact, even photography is very frowned upon. But there are plenty of table games here, and of course, slots. Lots and lots of slots. So there's plenty of opportunities for you to make or lose your fortune. Alright. And this, just like everything on an Oasis class ship, is huge. I mean, look at all these tables. Look at all that. Alright. What else is there to see? Let me show you. Another thing right out here on deck 4. Matter of fact, it spans several decks. And up here is the main dining room. It doesn't really have a name, it's just simply called main dining room. I like how these dining rooms are. A big open area in the middle. It's very elegant. We're on deck 4. Down there they got deck 3. And up there, deck 5. 3 levels of awesome, elegant dining. And since we're here, there's something else I'd like to show you. right outside the main dining room. Here on port side. Look at that guy staring at us. What could it be? It could be Izumi, hibachi, and sushi. They have hibachi tables. And up here, sushi. All kinds of yum, yum, yum. And this is me, Mr. Shadow 1969, on board Royal Caribbean's Amplified Oasis of the Seas. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We appreciate it. And if you haven't already, subscribe. I'd love that too. Hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.